Hey guys, Nick Ogilvy here with Turf Product Solutions, and we're gonna spray this trailer down and get it clean. And we're gonna use the Turf Animal. And what you'll do is I'll power wash it first and get it nice and clean, and then I'll go over it with the Turf Animal. You'll see here in a second, and then you'll just let it have a dwell time of 30 minutes, and you're good to go. So it's gonna clean and deodorize this trailer and make it safe for the next haul. There's a couple options that you can do to clean out the trailer and spray Turf Animal. One's this pump sprayer, and all you're doing is you just spray down the areas, and you see it starting to work, already foaming, and you can just spray the whole trailer down like this. That's one option. You know, if you don't have a lot of water or anything like that out there at the ranch or whatever, you can always just keep you one of these available, and you can spray your turf animal. But I'll show you how to do it with the hose here in a second with the bag option. And really the bag option is what I prefer. Alright guys, so now I've got the bag hooked up here to the water hose. And like I said, this is my preferred way of cleaning out a trailer, a pen, something like that. Just it's a better coverage. So you'll just turn it to spray. You can see it already foaming and doing its job. You spray it really good. And this bag, this is a 16-foot stock trailer. This bag here would probably clean it out probably up to 10 times. So it don't take much. So, but that's all you're doing. You're just making sure everything's covered with the Turf Animal. It's going to get rid of all the organic matter, stuff the smelly stuff, and these live enzymes are going to go to work. And so, like I said, the dwell time on this is 20 to 30 minutes, and then you can put an animal back in here and good to go. But I always like to do this with all my farm equipment because it just keeps everything sanitary and safe for the animals. So get yours, Turf Animal for Farm and Ranch. Thanks.